I get it, because this used to be me too. You're spending hours writing emails, creating content, trying to come up with new marketing ideas, new way to get clients and things like that. Meanwhile, your competitors are doing the exact same thing, but they're using AI to do the same work and get better results in minutes. Well, not anymore. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact AI prompts you can use to get home care clients faster and easier, and overall just run your business and possibly your life a lot smoother while using these AI tools. But first, I'm going to show you how to train your AI so it sounds exactly like you and professional and actually something that creates good content that customers are going to want to engage in and call you when they see that content, and not like a generic robot. This video is not going to have any theory, any fluff, just copy and paste prompts that will save you 10+ hours a week. So let's get into it. Hello, my name is Aaron, your go-to home care marketer. So be sure to like and subscribe, because every like and subscribe is seen, heard, and loved. I'm still a small YouTuber, which means that you can still get my attention in the comments below, and I'll happily respond, answer any questions you have, especially about AI. And also just comment below what AI tool is your favorite. Are you a ChatGPT person? Are you Gemini bro? Are you a Claude gal? Let me know in the comments below. Now, before I give you specific prompts, we need to talk about something that most people just skip, and this is why their AI generated content sounds generic, robotic, and no one wants to engage with it. They don't train their AI, so you need to train your AI first. You wouldn't just have someone who's starting your company just, go out in the wild and expect them to do the job you want them to do. No, you need to train that new employee first. So if you don't give them specific context about your business, they're just gonna make it up and give you generic advice that's just not gonna work. But if you train them properly, if you train them on good content that has worked before, that sounds like you and that sounds personal and compassionate, then guess what? They're gonna give you content that sounds personal, compassionate, and sounds like you. So here's exactly how to do it in 3 simple steps. So step 1 is to give your agency background to the AI system. And also, by the way, you might be asking, what AI program should I use? They're all pretty good, but I would say if you're thinking more of for writing content and things like that, I personally use Claude, and Claude's usually better when it comes to writing. However, you can still use ChatGPT and Gemini for other things, which I'm going to mention later in this video. But if you want to get started on one, just use Claude. It's the best one, and it's also free. So before you start asking the AI to create any content, you want to have a conversation with it. So the first thing you need to do is to give it the background. So you can copy and paste this prompt or something very similar to this. I need you to help me market my home care agency to get private pay home care clients. Then you want to say, here is important context about my business. Then you want to say your agency name, your location, the city and state that you're in, how many years you've been in business, if you have any specialties, what makes you different, how do you go above and beyond to provide people the care that they need, your own personal story. So maybe 2 to 3 sentences of why you personally got into the home care business, the tone you want, if you want like a compassionate but professional tone, if you want a warm and friendly focused tone, your target clients, whether you're looking for private pay home care clients or maybe looking for Medicare or Medicaid clients. Maybe you want to specifically go after people who are coming out of the hospital after a surgery, etc., etc. Then you want to say, you want to remember all this information for future requests, and you want to say, please acknowledge that you understand. So this way, the Claude AI knows that, okay, I'm going to have this information in the bank, and I'm going to use this information to do all the tasks that you're going to ask me to do. So then the AI should confirm that it understands the request and will use the context for everything that you're doing. So doing this one step alone gives it a lot more context, but this is still not enough. Step 2 is to give it examples of your writing style. Even though you gave it the background, it still doesn't have a good idea of how you want it to portray the content that you want it to create. So what you need to do is copy and paste 3 to 4 examples of either content that you've written that you really like, that has helped you get clients and that sounds the way you want it to sound, or 2 to 3 examples of other things you've found along the internet, something like that, that you also like, that how you want the AI to sound as well. So once you have those examples, you can say something like, here's an example of how I write and communicate, study my tone, sentence structure, and style, paste your examples, and then you want to say, moving forward, I want you to have a similar tone, style, and structure and voice, and confirm you understand my complete style. And then the AI is going to be like, okay, I know your background, I know your style and how you want to write content, so now you know it's not going to sound like the corporate AI garbage that that a lot of people get when they just use generic ChatGPT or Claude. And now the final step, and this is one of the most important steps, is to upload data of your dream customer and make the AI understand who the target market is. They know who you are, they know how you want to sound, but now they need to know who they're going after. So you want your AI to understand your customers' pain points, their dream outcomes, their roadblocks of why they may not call and things like that, and everything else that you could possibly think of that they should know in order to create good content for your target audience, which is mainly older adults who are looking for private pay clients. So how do you do this? So you can do this in a couple different ways. You can either do research online, you can look into forums, and you could just look on the websites and things like that just to learn more about your target market if you don't understand it already. Or you can just simply ask your customers, if you already have a customer base, ask 2 to 4 customers to say, hey, why did you decide to work with us? What was it like compared to working with other agencies? What was life like when you didn't work with us? And then what's life like now that you're working with us, etc., etc. All this data is valuable to Claude and the AI, so that way they can create such great content for you. So what you want to do is you want to put it all in a Word document, a Google Sheet, doesn't really matter. And then you can say, here is what my customer is like. I understand every single detail and keep this in mind when creating content or creating copy. We want to speak directly to these customers so they trust us enough to call and work with our agency. So now the AI knows, okay, this is who I'm trying to attract. And you're also giving the AI a goal saying, okay, we're trying to create content so that way they can trust us and call the agency. So I'm going to create content that's focused on that. And if you're wondering how to do that customer research exactly, if this video gets enough likes, let's say aim for 30 likes, something simple like that. If it gets to 30 likes, then I will create a video on how to do home care customer research and even post my own customer research after doing home care marketing for 6+ years. I have a lot of research on what the target market is looking for when it comes to home care. So another thing you can also grab, if you have call transcripts already, if you can take out the personal data, then you can put that into the AI and then say, hey, this is the call transcript data of my target market. Understand their pain points and how they talk, how they respond to what I say, and use that also to understand my target market and create content for that. And then the AI is going to have so much information based off your own research plus the transcript data. They know everything about your business. They know your style. Boom. You literally have your own personal assistant that can create for you outstanding copy in literally minutes, maybe better than what you could have made in hours for the most part. So now let's get into some really cool use cases. I'm going to mention 5 of them, so that way you can save so much time, money, and effort when running your home care business. So the first thing you can do is, of course, leaving a like on this video. Obviously, you don't need AI to do that. You can simply hit a like, and it's very seen, heard, and loved, like I said before. But the real first case that you could use is to write emails to referral sources in 30 seconds. So let's say you have a referral source that you want to attract and you want to build a relationship with. Since you've already trained the AI on your background and your writing style, you can now just use this prompt. Write a professional email to the discharge planner of whatever the hospital name is or the assisted living facility, etc., etc. The purpose is to introduce my agency and offer to help them with any difficult problems that they're dealing with, or in this case for a hospital, any difficult discharges. Mention that we can start care within 24 hours. Make it helpful, not salesy. Keep it under 150 words. Use the agency information mouse style I gave you earlier. Then the AI is going to write you a couple personal friendly emails, and it's going to sound like you wrote it, and then you can make some minor tweaks to it and then send it to the referral source. Boom. It takes you 30 seconds to do that compared to maybe 10 minutes to create a good personalized email. And then maybe you went to a networking event and you want to follow up with that person. You can use something like this. Write a follow-up email to Sarah, a social worker I met at a senior expo yesterday. She mentioned how her facility struggles with weekend staffing. Offer to provide backup caregivers on the weekends. Reference our conversation naturally. Make it warm and helpful. Use 100 words max. And now, because the AI is trained to know what your agency can do and how it specializes in maybe 24/7 care, it knows your city and it writes in your voice and your tone. Sounds personal. Boom, you just easily followed up with Sarah and starting to build that good relationship so she can refer to you home care clients. Use case number 2 is to create a month of social media content in just 10 to 20 minutes. So this is where AI can really pay off, is when it comes to digital marketing and of course posting content. But now with this training, you're going to get so much better posts, especially now that they understand your customer. You can say something like, create 20 Facebook posts for my agency using the information you have on my business and the customer. The topic should include include, caregiver tips for families, sign your parents needs help for home care, benefits of aging at home, how to choose a home care agency, etc., etc. Make each post 50 to 80 words, include call to action, add relevant emojis, reference our specialties if you have any, and at least 5 of the posts. They'll get boom, you're gonna get 20 posts, and then you can use them to your advantage. And while Claude AI can give you, what the written words could be like, you can use tools like Gemini or Canva or Manus AI to create social media images too. So that way you can have images along with your social media post or even your blog post. If you decide to do that, you could just say, instead of saying create 20 Facebook posts, you can say create 20 blog posts, for example. So you can post that onto your website. And then if you want content specific for maybe Instagram or LinkedIn, simply just change it from Facebook to LinkedIn. Use the same prompt. Another example you can use is create 15 Instagram captions for my agency. Focus on emotional stories about helping seniors stay independent in whatever city you're in. Each caption should be 30 to 50 words long. Use relevant hashtags, etc., etc. And then boom, if you're doing a marketing event, you can post all the pictures and they can all have relevant captions too. What more can you ask for? AI use case number 3 is use Google and Facebook AI copy that converts. I'll be honest, this is how I use AI like 85 to 90% of the time. It's to writing new headlines and descriptions that fit the character limit and match what my customers are looking for. The AI knows my customer's agency. They know the client I'm looking for. They know the call transcripts and things like that. They know the pain points. So of course we can generate headlines that's going to help get their attention so that way they can click on the Google ad or Facebook ad. So here's a prompt you can use. Write 10 Google ad headlines for my agency. Each headline must be under 30 characters. Focus on private pay clients who need immediate care. Highlight our key differentiators. Make an action-oriented call to action with 3 of the headlines for the most part. Then it's going to give you 10 headlines. Of course, you can choose the 5 best. If you need more, then you can always ask for more. Something you can do as well is, let's say it gives you 10 headlines. You really like 3 of them. Take those 3, put it back in the AI prompt and say, hey, I really like these headlines. Can you make 15 more of them and things like that? And then if you can keep reiterating the process, you're going to get better and better headlines as well. And then if you need to write descriptions or something longer, you can say something like, write 5 Google ad descriptions for my agency. Each must be under 90 characters long. Mention our services, fee assessments, personalized care plans, etc., etc. You don't even have to say these things like mention our fee assessments or our care plans if you don't want to. Because you uploaded your customer data, the AI is going to know what your customer really wants and is looking for. So they're going to automatically kind of put that stuff for you, which is why we needed to train the AI in the first place. The use case number 4 is to respond to reviews in the best way possible. That's not only going to make the customer feel good, but also help you with your SEO optimization as well. Because how you respond to reviews is also important and plays a factor when it comes to ranking on Google, believe it or not. So obviously, if someone leaves you a review, just saying thank you and whatever is okay, but we can do better. You can say something like, write a response to this 5-star Google review for my agency. You can paste the review, thank them specifically with what they mentioned, use a warm, genuine tone, and reference our mission to help clients. Keep it under 75 words. Boom, you're going to get a good response from the AI. And it doesn't have to just be how to respond to reviews. It can also be how to respond to emails or how to respond to, different comments that you're getting from all your social media posts. You can have AI respond to them as well. So you can just simply copy and paste those responses and boom, you look so much better than how your competitors respond to the reviews or comments, etc., etc. And if you get a negative review, AI can be very helpful on this because people, they don't mind seeing negative reviews, but how you respond to negative reviews is actually much more important and much more critical. So you can use AI for something like that. You can say something like, write a professional, empathetic response to the negative review, paste the review, apologize for their experience, acknowledge their specific concerns, show our commitment to improvement, and while staying true to our values, please be respectful, say under 100 words, etc., etc. And because the AI knows what your story is, your tone, what the customer's like, what you're like, they're going to create a good response in seconds that you don't have to think about. And then the use case number 5 is to write landing page copy to convert visitors to callers. So this is crucial because your landing page is what's literally the salesperson for your agency. So you want to make sure that it sounds the best that it possibly can. So this is when you can use AI to create landing page content because they're going to know your customer better than you might know the customer, simply because they can consume all that data and then they can create content that's relevant. So you you can use prompts like, write a compelling headline to address families that are worried about their parents living alone in whatever city you're in. Write a about us section that mentions my story that's compelling to my target market. Use 5 bullet points to highlight our key benefits. Write an emotional paragraph about the peace of mind that we can offer. Write 5 service info paragraphs for our personal care services that will speak to our target market, etc., etc. So the possibilities are endless. So pretty much at this point, once you train your AI, you can literally just ask it any question or ask it to do whatever it wants, and it's gonna do it, and you're gonna get an answer a lot better than if you just did it generically. So are you still gonna have to edit whatever the AI sends you? Yes, you are gonna have to edit, but instead of taking an hour to come up with a landing page copy, it could take you 10 minutes, and then you can use that other 50 minutes for other high value tasks as well. So overall, in this video, we talked about how to train your AI, how you have to give it your story, your business information, the writing style and tone that you want, and the customer information and data as well. That way you have trained your AI to know exactly who you are and who your target market is. And then we went over a plethora of use cases. You can write emails, write ad copy, write landing page copy, respond to comments, respond to reviews, and everything under the sun that's going to help your business save 10, 20 plus hours per week and overall run your business smoothly as well. Again, I recommend using Claude. However, you can use any AI system and this will work fine. If you want to get images, you can use Gemini or Manus AI. You know, all these different ones. There's so many different ones that are coming out, and they all work pretty much the same. But I recommend Claude for writing and things like that. That is how you can use AI to get more private pay clients in 2026. Hope you guys like this video. If you want more help with Google Ads, check out the link in the description below to book a call with me, so we can talk about more ideas of how I use AI in order to help my home care agencies get their private pay clients and things like that. So thank you guys for watching. If you want to see a video of how to get 20 plus clients in 2026, click on the video I have on screen right now. See you guys in that video. Take care.